Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your Godaddy domain to your Shopify store. First, log in to both your Godaddy account and your Shopify admin panel. Keep both tabs open so you can move between them easily. In Godaddy, go to the Domains section. You'll see all the domains you own. Find the one you want to connect and click the Manage button next to it. Now switch to Shopify. From your Shopify admin, click on Settings at the bottom left, then choose Domains. Click Connect Existing Domain. Type your Godaddy domain name here. Don't add HTTPS or www. Just type the main domain like mydomain.com, then click Next. Shopify will now show you the DNS records you need. You'll get an A record with an IP address and a C name record for www. Go back to Godaddy's DNS management page. Look for the existing A record with the name @ If it's already there, edit it and replace the value with the IP address that Shopify gave you. Save the change. Next, find the CNAME record with the name www. Edit it and paste the Shopify CNAME value, which is usually shops.myshopify.com. Save this record too. That's it. Thanks for watching.